Hello students, class 11 is the ideal time to preparing for any entrance test. The basics that have been taught in the previous year are still fresh and the mind is ready for a new beginning, right? For JEE and NEET aspirants, starting the preparation while in class 11 is the most. It will give you the students enough time for experimenting with the preparation strategy. Also, starting early will give them the opportunity to revise the syllabus of class 11 thoroughly by the time they reach class 12. They can focus on the study class 12 syllabus primarily in the year of the attempt, right? However, starting the preparation at this stage can also be overwhelming because the need to prepare has not yet been taught to them. In an attempt to guide such students and help them being their NEET and JEE journey, I am going to share you some tips. Tip number 1, developing a routine. The first NEET and JEE preparation tip for class 11 students is that they must develop a routine. Since class 11 students are starting early, that they can start spending by 2 hours on self-study and gradually they can increase it up to 4 to 5 years. This is sufficient in class 11. So our first tip is developing a routine. Now next step for preparation of this JEE and NEET exam tip is paying attention in the classes, right? Class 11 is when most of the basics are being taught. It is thus important to pay attention in the class and takes notes in them. Paying attention in these classes will help to build a strong foundation for the topics that will be covered in class 12. So tip number 3, selecting the study material, right? We have to select a study material, a perfect study material for the preparation of your NEET and JEE examination. So for every subject there are 4 to 5 top recommended books. However, reading such books or reading each one of them is not possible, right? So also every book may not be comprehensible to every students. Therefore, they can choose the reference book that best suits their requirement during this time. Tip number 4, making notes. This is very essential and these notes will be an important part of the NEET and JEE preparation phase because students must have to develop a habit of making notes in their classroom and during self-study. Revision notes should be concise yet too easy to understand for them when they are moving towards for easy way to grasp that sentences when they already prepared for that, right? Tip number 5, getting hands on question papers. This is very important, students. Collect as many sample papers and question papers during this year. They must be also referred to the NEET question papers of the previous year to understand the exam pattern better. By doing this exercise, students will get to know more about the types of question that can be asked from a topic. So it will also help them to understand the NEET exam pattern betterly. So students, these are the following few steps that I already share with you. So students, are you looking for best coaching institutes for 11th and 12th to prepare for exams like JEE, NEET, CET or Defense in Pimpri-Chinchwad? But confused which is the best coaching institute there? We are the one, Swami Vivekananda Academy, who deliberately want to provide you the best coaching that you're looking for. Since SVA, in short, Swami Vivekananda Academy, Pimpri-Chinchwad is well known and reputed academy from year 2014 for its excellence and good track record. The founder and director of this SVA Academy is Mr. Rohit Vaikar sir, and the assistant director of this SVA Academy is Mr. Rohit Sabli sir. Our vision, this SVA Academy vision, is to provide quality education service for the science subject students. SVA facilitates work tirelessly to deliver quality teaching at its finest. Our mission is we strive to nurture a strong scientific intuition in every student based on a solid foundation in their respective subjects. Our focus is to develop our students into critical thinkers who can apply scientific principles and reasoning beyond the academic setting. So, what are the benefits of choosing Swami Vivekananda Academy for you students? First, Academy has well experienced and dedicated faculty for chemistry, physics as well as math subjects. Second, these faculties are not only self-motivated but also they gives personal attention to every student to understand the concept of the subjects. Third, for this we divide the whole batch into limited intake batches so that the faculty teach effectively and can pay attention to each and every student in the class. Fourth, we provide all the chapter-wise printed notes with most probable answer sets and question sets for your exams. Fifth, we conduct weekly revision test for you so that you will remember for a long time which you learned during the same week. Number 6, SVA provides the accommodation facility for students belonging to far distance from the academy. This is very essential for those students who is very far from this SVA academy, right? Number 7, SVA provides study room up to 18 hours in a single day for all students so that one can study there without disturbance. Number 8, SVA provides career guidance program and motivational classes to all students consistently. This is very important to guide each and every student consistently to develop or to provide such guidance which they need in this period. Number 9, how much students are understanding the subject and what is her performance in the course, how one can modify it for such type of discussion and queries with the students, parents. Swami Vivekananda Academy organize regular parents teacher meetings. So students, our objective is very clear. We are here to give you our 100%. Now it's your turn. Will you ready to give 100% to our academy or with your career also, right? So let's take a right choice, and until we SV are waiting here to welcome you. Thank you and best of luck. For detail more information you can reach us following the address and contact details showing somewhere on your screen. Okay, very best of luck. Thank you.